This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in 2017 Dodge Caravan, only way. Start by locating the low side service port and confirming system type is R134A using the label under the hood. Recover old refrigerant if present and inspect hoses, compressor, condenser, and connections for leaks. Evacuate the system with a vacuum pump for at least 30 minutes. Then weigh in the exact refrigerant charge specified by the manufacturer and test cooling performance. Gather tools and prepare the vehicle before you begin to avoid interruptions and contamination. Attach the manifold gauges to the correct service ports and purge any air from hoses before connecting to the bottle. Run a quick leak check with a detector and replace O-rings on any open fittings to prevent future leaks. Verify the air inlet cabin filter is clean so system airflow is unrestricted for accurate performance testing after recharge. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers smart voice control and dependable cleaning so you can focus on vehicle work, not sweeping. It pairs nicely with DIY repair days when you want a tidy garage without interrupting your project. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by recovering any remaining refrigerant using approved recovery gear if the system contains measurable charge. Evacuate the system with a vacuum pump and wait to ensure pressure holds steady, indicating no major leaks. Add the recommended amount of R134A by weight with the engine running and blower at max, and periodically check high and low side pressures and outlet temperature. Finish by sealing fittings, rechecking for leaks, and confirming strong, cold airflow at the vents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.